Hello guys, I'm Sal. We're here at Bobson Terrace today. We're gonna be going over the staircase on the multi-unit. So if you guys see right here, we did cut the staircase in a section. This would be the bottom section, and that'll be the top section. You see this groove right here, that round half circle? That's gonna be, so when the container lands over there, the staircase just sits on top and we can weld all the way through. What's gonna happen is we're gonna fit the staircase in there, and it's gonna be fitted so when the crane drops the other container, it's gonna drop flat. We're just gonna weld all the way around. Should be ready to go. So what we're doing right here, we're strapping up the staircase. We have the forklift outside. It's gonna help us lift it up, and we're gonna set it in place. And you'll see that in a little bit. Yeah, so we got the staircase lifted up. We'll come back. We're gonna be bolting it down on the ground, creating that plate as well underneath so it stays stable. And then we're gonna fit the top piece first for the other unit so we can make sure that it is square when it lands. So we'll come back, fit it, and you'll see that in a little bit.